Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create poll in Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it. So we can create a poll in Messenger group. So open in a group and tap on this four dot icon and tap on polls and enter here the poll question and add here poll answers and you can add here more options and tap on create poll. So here you can see the poll has been created. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.